So now I'm going to show you my stickers spell slime. So these are the 2 slimes that she made.
And I made this purple one. And I made this purple one.
Feather.
Is that what the colour was originally?
Mama?
Like shine in it.
I got some pudding.
And like
Pudding. Pudding.
All of this pudding that we had yesterday. And the food that my dad made. And more food that my dad made. Definitely my hamster. That one's my sister's, middle sister. This is mine. Squishmallow.
Touch screen. Got some crosses that we got from.
Definitely my Play-Doh. I got so much stuff for Christmas. Oh my god, I got these nails from my I think I got the nails from my April present, yeah. Here's the nails. I haven't got them on yet, but I got these ones on. I just love having my YouTube channel because I can post videos and I can do lots of stuff. So that's the end of the video, and it's really fun to be with you guys. I hope I get loads of subscribers and likes. Please help me.